I hope you can see that. The ice is still in the trees. They're just covered with ice. Look at that. Even the grass in the median. But check this out. The roads are perfectly dry. So, Kansas City, here we come. All right, you guys, it's my sister Kelly. She lives here in Kansas City, and we are going to check out the sights and the sounds of Super Bowl weekend in KC.
Go Chiefs!
Go Chiefs! And one of the main attractions in Kansas City is Union Station. And they love their Chiefs, just like the rest of this town. And this is what we're hoping for. See the three-peat back there? Oh yeah. Unfortunately, that brings back lots of memories. I think Opie could take him. What do y'all think? One of my very favorite barbecue places in KC. This thing has been here for years, and it is one of the best places to have burnt ends. They say that is the best. Authentic KC barbecue. Oh yeah. All right. Go
Chiefs!
All right, check this out. That is a burnt-in sandwich. It's gonna beat the hell out of cooking in the van. Yeah. That's some barbecue. Well, I'm here at Big Old Tire in Shawnee, Kansas. I pulled up and asked what it would cost to get the pressure in my tires checked, and this young man said, free 99. That's what you said, wasn't it? Oh, I appreciate it very much. Nice people here. Well, I'm here at Whataburger. And we had to come here because the story behind it. Whataburger is Patrick Mahomes' favorite hamburger. And he actually petitioned the company to get them to open up a store in Kansas City so that he could have a Whataburger. So let's go try it out. All righty, here it is, the famous Whataburger. It looks good. Kelly got a patty melt. About to find out. And that is good. It's like an old-fashioned hamburger. And I guess Patrick Mahomes knows what he's talking about. Yep, and there's KC all lit up, waiting on the big game. All righty, it's Sunday afternoon, Super Bowl Sunday. We're getting ready to go in and watch the game and scream, "Go Chiefs," for about the next 4 hours. So we'll see you from time to time. Go Chiefs! Well, it didn't turn out the way we wanted, but oh well. There's always next year. Go Chiefs!